Hi guys, today's Vinegar. So we're going to go away to playtime. Fun. We're going to talk about we're going to play with birthday toys. We're going to play Roman. I am back to do a very amazing experiment called candle trick. And the items you need is a glass, one empty glass, and this big like size of like this, and fill it up with water, and get a permission, and get a candle and glow it with a fire. I already put a candle right here and ask someone to glow the fire up. So the water, so I put the glass right there, and then the fire got it's out. The fire is out. So I'm gonna explain. So the oxygen makes the fire. The fire doesn't breathe at all, and then the fire needs the oxygen to make it still glow up. Hi, it's me, Suleiman. I'm back for another experiment. Okay, I'm gonna tell you which items you get: baking soda and vinegar. Ask for permission. Full of vinegar, and get a balloon and attach it to this. A real permission, and this and a balloon. So attach the balloon into this and full of vinegars into this bottle, and then flip it up. So scary. It's glowing. It's